Hi everyone and welcome back to another sewing tutorial. Today I will show you how to sew a ruffle cuff for your sleeve. For this tutorial you will need the sleeve tunnel and flat elastic that's 6 mm wide. Let's start by preparing the tunnel where we will later insert the elastic. Take a piece of sleeve tunnel and fold it in half with the wrong side facing and press it flat. Unfold the sleeve tunnel and fold each edge towards the center line, pressing them down on each side. Now take your sleeve pattern piece and measure the distance between the edge of the hem and the first line of the marked tunnel on the pattern. Then transfer this measurement onto the wrong side of the fabric sleeve, marking points along the sleeve where the tunnel will be. Draw a line connecting these points to create the tunnel guide. Place the sleeve tunnel with its wrong side onto the wrong side of the sleeve. Align the edge of the tunnel with the line previously marked on the sleeve. Ensure that the tunnel is placed above the marked line as the line represents the bottom edge of the tunnel. Then pin the tunnel to the sleeve along the marked line, ensuring it follows the line accurately and stays placed during sewing. Now stitch approximately 1 mm from the edge of the tunnel. Start sewing on one side of the edge, accurately following the edge line. When you reach the end of the line, backstitch to secure the stitches. Sew along the other side of the edge, parallel to the first line of stitching. Again, backstitch at the beginning and the end of this line to secure the stitches. Ensure the stitches are straight and even along the entire length of the tunnel. Now cut 2 pieces of elastic based on the measurements provided for your size on the pattern. Measure around your arm to check if the elastic fits you well and leaves a little bit of space. Locate the opening in your tunnel and using the safety pin insert one end of the elastic into the channel. Pin one side of the elastic to the fabric to prevent it from slipping, then pull the elastic through the channel until it comes out from the other side. Pin the other end of the elastic to the fabric to secure it in place. Stitch along the edge of the tunnel, securing the elastic onto the fabric of the sleeve. Ensure that the gathering on the sleeve is concentrated more towards the center. This will make it easier to sew the sleeve seam in the next step. Now fold each sleeve piece in half lengthways with right sides facing. Align the raw edges and pin along the folded edge. Sew the edges together using a seam allowance of 1 cm. Overlock the sleeve seams. Now press the sleeve seam towards the back of the sleeve. After sewing the seam, it's important to distribute the gathering across the sleeve. This will ensure a balanced look and proper fit of the sleeve. Finish the bottom edge of the sleeve with an overlock stitch. Fold the overlock edge by 7 mm towards the wrong side of the fabric and press. Now fold it again by 8 mm inside the garment and press it again. Now peel all around the folded hem. Top stitch around the folded hem, stitching close to the folded edge to enclose the raw edges. Begin at the sleeve seam, sew around and return to your starting point. Stitch 7 mm from the edge. Press the hem of the sleeve. Here's the final result. You can see how it looks both inside the garment and from the outside. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or send me a message on Instagram. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!